I'm showing you exactly how to check the dimensions of your design in Canva, so you never have to guess your project size again. Whether you are working on a social media post or a custom print, knowing your exact pixel or inch count is essential for a professional result. The first and fastest way to do this is through the File menu. Once you have your design open in the Canva editor, look at the top left corner of the menu bar and click on File. The current dimensions of your canvas are displayed right there in the drop-down menu, usually right next to the design name. This gives you an immediate readout of the width and height without needing to click through extra settings. Now, if you need a more detailed look or if you're considering making a change, you'll want to use the Resize or Magic Switch tool. You can find this in the top toolbar of the editor. Depending on which version of Canva you are using, it will either say Resize or Magic Switch. Go ahead and click that, then select Custom Size. When you do this, the current width and height of your design will appear directly in the input fields. The important thing to remember here is that while these methods show you the dimensions, they typically reflect the size of the first page or the overall document settings. There is a bit of a trade-off to keep in mind, or what I call the both ways rule. While checking your dimensions is free for everyone, actually changing them using the Resize or Magic Switch feature often requires a Canva Pro subscription. If you're on the free version, you can see the size, but you won't be able to instantly scale it to a new format without starting a new project. To get back to your work, just click outside the menu or book out of the Resize tool. If you've confirmed your dimensions are correct, you're all set to keep designing. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.